Mathematics is to do mathematics, written by Paul Halmers. Hi dear children, welcome back to Gurudeva Online 6th Standard Mathematics class. I am Niranjan HM. 8th period, playing with numbers. Yes, we have been started exercise 3.5. We were discussed in the last class first question, true or false. We will start from the exercise, same exercise 3.5 from second question. Observe here Chotu. Yes, observe a question first. Page number 62. Here are two different factor trees for 60. Write the missing numbers. There are two questions. I'll solve two questions. And one more important thing, I have marked here. Second question, you may write in your notes. So this question belongs to first question. Second main, these two questions belongs to notebook. These two questions belongs to notebook. Observe here. I have marked here, write in notes. Okay, and also see third question also write in notes. Clear? Chotu, the first question, second question, first submain 60. 60 we need to represent it in the form of prime numbers. I mean we need to factorize. Okay, observe here 60 can be written as 6 into 10. 6 10 ja 60. Okay, next 6 can be written as 2 something. 2 how much ja 6? Chotu, 2 3 ja 6. We need to concentrate prime numbers. Observe here 2 is also prime number, 3 is also prime number. So finally we got 2 3 ja 6. It is not possible to divide once again. See, we got a prime numbers, it has completed. Next observe here 10. 10 can be written as 5 2 ja 10. So 5 is prime number, 2 is prime number. Finally the problem has completed. Next 60. 60 we need to represent it in the prime numbers. 60 can be written as 30. How much is 60? 30 2 ja 60. I mean 3 2 ja 6 0 1 0. Okay, next 30 can be written as 10 something ja 30. 10 how much ja 30? 10 3 ja 30. 10 3 ja 30. Next 10 can be written as 2 5 ja 10. Otherwise you may write 5 2 ja 10. It's not a problem. And it's not possible to divide, so it is prime number, so the problem has clear. This is first question and second sub question. These two questions must be solved in notebook. Clear? So I have marked here. Let us come to third question. Page number 62. All of you observe a textbook if you have. Third question. Which factors are not included in the prime factorization of a composite number? Which factors are not included? Not included. Which factor not included? The fact, number 1. The factor 1 2 3 starts from 1. 1 is not included in the factorization, prime factorization of a composite number. Observe your answer. 1 is the factor which is not, very important word, which is not included in the prime factorization of a composite numbers. It has cleared. So 2, this is belongs to note. See, I have marked here. This question must be write a sentence, write a question, and also in below the question complete the sentence. The number 1, the factor 1 is not included in the prime factorization of a composite number. All of you save in your mind. Okay, let us move question number 4. Page number 62. Write the greatest 4-digit number and express it in terms of its prime factors. Which is the greatest 4-digit number? Greatest 4-digit number is 9999. Observe here. Solution. Greatest 4-digit number is 9999. number is 9999. So we need to express a given number in prime factors. Observe here, 9999 expressed in the form of prime factors. 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Next, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Next, 11 1s are 11. Here is 0. 11 1s are 11. I think you have a doubt. Sir, how does it possible 0? Observe here. Long division method. Okay. 11 1s are 11. Draw a line. Subtraction. 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. Bring down next digit, that is 1. In the table 11, does it possible 1? No, that's right. 11 zeros are 0. So subtract. 1 minus 0 is equals to 1. Next, bring down another digit, that is 1. So now 11. 11 1s are 11. 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 1 0. Are you clear now? How does it possible 0? I have divide directly, isn't it? See, 11 1 at 1s are 1111. Next, 101 jar 101 into 101 into 1 jar 101. So the finally we got 1. 101 is prime number. Of course, it is prime number. Chotu 3 3 11 101. It is the representation of prime factors. Okay, prime factors of, therefore prime factors of 9999 is equals to 3 into 11 into 101. You multiply 101, 11, 3, 3. You will get 9999. This is the representation of prime factors. It is the prime factor representation. Dear children, see, the question number 4 belongs to notes. So I have marked here. If I marked like this particular question must be solved in your notebook. Put your question and put your solution in your notebook. Okay, let us discuss about question number 5. Same page number 62. Write the smallest 5-digit number and express it in the form of its prime factors. Okay. Greatest 4-digit number. Now smallest 5-digit number. Write a solution. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. Smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. 10,000 can be represented in the form of prime factors. Observe here, Choto. Right here, 10,000. Okay. Use scale while you are solving prime factors. Okay. 10,000. Draw a line. 5. How much are 10? Observe here. 5. 5 2s are 10. Here is 0. 5 zeros are 0. Next 5 zeros are 0. Next 5 zeros are 0. Next, draw a line. 5 4s are 20. Next, here is 0. Observe my finger. 5 zeros are 0. 5 zeros are 0. Next, draw a line. Here is 2. 2. How much are 4? 2 2 ja 4. Next 2 0 ja 0, 2 0 ja 0. Next draw a line. 2 once again you may take 2 2 1 ja 2, 2 0 ja 0, 2 0 ja 0. Draw a line. Next 2 5 ja 10, 2 5 ja 10. Next 2 0 ja 0. Okay, draw a line. 5 1 ja 5, 5 0 ja 0. Draw a line. Okay, next 5 2 ja 10. Okay, draw a line. 2 1 ja 2. Clear? See, this is the prime factor representation. Observe here, Chotu. 5 5 2 2 2 5 5 2. Okay, let us write final statement. Prime factors of, therefore you stop when you get a 1. Clear? This is the clue. Prime factors of 10,000 is equals to I'll make a group of 5 and also 2. Okay, 5 how many times? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. Yes, 4 times. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into next 1 2 2 2 how many times repeated? 1 2 3 4 4 times. 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time. So this is the complete solution of a given problem, question number 5. Okay, let us move about question number 6. Find all the prime factors of 1729 and arrange them in ascending order. Now state the relation, if any, between two consecutive prime factors. Dear Chotu, 1729 or 1729. It is not a simple number. Dear children, it is not a simple number. The given number 1729 is called as the Hardy and Ramanujan famous number. Hardy and Ramanujan number. It is very special number. The given number is called, it has famous as the Hardy and Ramanujan number. Who is Ramanujan? Who is Ramanujan? Dear children, Ramanujan is a very famous great mathematician, great Indian mathematician. Are you clear? It is behind the textbook. Let us move later. Okay. I want to give you some of the important points about our Indian mathematician. Dear Chotu, the Ramanujan is a great Indian famous mathematician. He was born on 22 December 1887. Yes, the December 22. I think you are remembering the December 22. December 22 we are celebrating as a mathematics day, as an account of Ramanujan birthday. Isn't it? Ramanujan birthday we are celebrate as a mathematics day because Ramanujan is a mathematician, great mathematician. December 22 is mathematics day. One of the important point, December 22 is mathematics day. Dear children, I would like to share you one of the famous incident which I have read in a book. Ramanujan and Hardy. Who is Hardy? Hardy is also a mathematician. Ramanujan also a mathematician, but he is very famous and Indian mathematician. Hardy is also famous and mathematician. Dear Chotu, Ramanujan was not well once in a day. He was on bed in a hospital. The Hardy and Ramanujan very best friends. The Hardy is ready to visit a Ramanujan to take care. When he enter a hospital, Mr. Hardy is entered a hospital especially in front of the Ramanujan bed. Sudden he has shared. Who is Hardy has shared, Mr. Ramanujan, actually I have from, I come from taxi. Actually the taxi number is 1729. It was really boring number. Suddenly the Ramanujan was astonished. Why it is boring number? Actually it has a special thing in a given number. 1729, it is not a simple number. It has a special thing in a given number. So the number was famous on that day. So still it is very famous. I think it's clear. Okay, the given number is famous as Ramanujan and Hardy number. Okay, Chotu, let us come to the problem. Given number, we need to represent it in prime factors. Dear children, 1729, it can be divided by 7. It is not divided by, you are very well about to divisibility rules, isn't it? It is not divided by 2, not divided by 3, not divided by 6, isn't it? It can divide by 7. Only 7. Okay. Let us divide. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. Here is extra 3. It becomes 32. Okay. 7 4 ja 28. 7 4 ja 28. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 4. So it becomes 49. 7 7 ja 49. So finally it can divide by 7. The number is 247. Dear children, come here, observe very carefully. 1729. I have marked here notebook. The given problem solved in notebook. 1729. Okay, 1729. See, observe here. 7. How much ja? 7 247 ja 1729. Dear children, 247 can be divided by 13 into 19 ja. 13 19 ja 247. Clear? See, this is what final number. Okay, it is prime number. You may write like this: 19 1 ja 19. See, we got a 1, so this solve the problem. 7, 13 and also 19 are prime numbers. The finally problem has cleared. Let us write a final statement. Therefore, prime factors of 1729 or 1729 is 7 into 13 into 19. Okay, dear children. Next, what is the next sub question in a given problem? That is what? Ascending order. Arrange the given number, given prime numbers in ascending order. Observe here. Arrange the ascending order. Ascending order. So ascending order is nothing but smaller to bigger. 7, 13, 19. Ascending order. Okay, you may write into. No problem at all. Okay, dear children. Next, what is the one more sub question in a given problem? Now state the relation. If any between two consecutive prime numbers, you should know consecutive numbers. What is the meaning of consecutive numbers? The continuous number. Write 3 consecutive numbers. Might be question arising. Write 3 consecutive numbers. Which are the 3 consecutive? You may give any example. 3 consecutive numbers are 1, 2, 3. 1 after 2, 2 after 3. Continuous number, I mean counting number, like a counting number. Consecutive numbers. Give me 3 even consecutive numbers. Even consecutive numbers are 2 is a even number, 3 is odd number. Just you may skip. 4 is even number. You may skip 4 after 6. So shall I write only single digit number? No. You may write 2 digit number. Because the question is write any 3 consecutive numbers. I'll take 20. Next 22. Next 26. I hope you have cleared. Okay, write three-digit consecutive numbers. I'll write 100, 101, 102. Right? It depends. Answer depends on the question. Write three consecutive numbers. Condition is those consecutive numbers must be 3-digit. Observe here, 3-digit, 3-digit, 3-digit. Okay, 100, 101, 102. I hope you have understood. Consecutive numbers is nothing but counting numbers. Next after next. Don't skip. Isn't it? Depends on the question. What is the relationship between consecutive prime numbers? Observe here, Chotu. Consecutive prime numbers. I think you are thinking about, sir, 7 after here is 8, 9, no 8, no 9. Prime numbers, consecutive prime numbers. Observe here, Chotu. 7, 7 after 13, 13 after 9. What is the relationship between 7, 13, 19? There is a particular relation. Observe here. 13 minus 7 is equals to 6. As the same way, 19 minus 13 is equals to 6. Isn't it? Let us complete this statement. Therefore, the difference between two consecutive prime factors, two consecutive prime factors is 6. Why it is 6? Because the difference is 6. This is the final statement is the relationship between prime factors, consecutive prime factors. This is what the complete explanation about question number 6. This must be written, whole solution write in notebook. I hope it's very clear. Let us discuss in the next video, next class, continuous question of 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, dear children, until practice once again. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.